Hi, this is Jay.
And I'm David.
We welcome you to our Patreon channel when we educate massage therapists, not just massage therapists, I think almost every health provider service like coaches, even the chiropractor. We give some little good advice for marketing and people love it, especially with research with AI. It's a great stuff. So stick around in our channel and learn something new.
That's right. We're going to teach so many things about the body, mechanics, mindset. Now, is there something
mindset.
about mindset?
The first thing you need to set up and understand this vision of you, who you are, what you're doing, and what kind of service you're going to provide. And of course, that mindset of self-health, because I don't think I see a lot of people unhealthy with a lot of issue coming and try to do massage, and they turn themselves to the mess. Because trust me, to try to heal someone when you in pain, when your mind is not set, is going to completely destroy you. And we see this so many times. Why? Because my neighbors, my neighbor's Jenna told me she worked as a massage therapist and she make $100 an hour, and it's so easy job for her, and she's so happy, she makes so much money. And you follow that trap, and you hear, and which is true. You can make those money, but you need to learn a lot. You need to learn a lot. You need to do a lot. You need to work on yourself. And that's, like I said, the first, it's a mindset. You want to say something about mindset?
What helps with mindset also is the confidence that you have that you are prepared for the person that's in front of you. So besides not having pain yourself so you can concentrate, when you have confidence from the knowledge that you've acquired, the assessment that you're going to do, the way you communicate, the way you're listening, that preparation and mindset go together. So when you're working on them, you're going to have all of that as one unit. Your mindset, your confidence, and your skills are solid, and it really makes you such a better therapist. And this channel is about continuing knowledge, because there's so much out there, and it's hard to learn a lot of these things, and we're very personalized.
Yeah, and you're still learning and learning and learning. It's just the fun, because if you're stuck in the same doing over and over, I don't think it's just a routine. It's become a job. If you want to truly become a master of your craft, you have to start look at the different angle on this job. It's not the job. It's a craft. It's a skills. It's been for so long, it's centuries been with us. And this is only the way to treat and help people with the muscular problem and movements problem. And it's work, because it's also energy exchange. If you're tired, if you burn out, just think about what kind of energy you're going to transmit to this person. And of course, a person is going to feel that. People are going to feel that. And trust me, I go to a lot of events and I see when therapists come in, they just what the hell I'm doing here? What I'm doing here. So many people, I have to massage these people now, and they're not happy. And it's just make you weak. It's make you more ill, make you more suffer in your life. And it's so much suffering right now. We can see it as the world is a little bit shaky right now. That's why you have to understand who you are and why you're doing this profession. And after, when you figure this out, you're gonna how am I gonna say that? You're gonna see yourself from different angle, and you start grow your business. You're gonna start grow yourself. You're gonna start raise the money for your service, because I see a lot of people working for $40 or $50 up there because they don't learn how to put, not the price, I want to say how.
What their value is?
Value, yeah. They put the value on yourself. And it's take time. Trust me, it took me time to understand the value of my job, of what I'm doing, of my skills, and my education, because I can help my client to move, to understand, help client understand why it's a problem. And in most of the cases, they will understand it. It's oh yes, I've been injured. And because we give him this knowledge. And like I said, the mindset of who you are, how you have to approach it, and your goal and your view of just the vision of this, the whole therapy. Like I said, David, he was more working with the soft tissue. He liked to work like supported joints, muscle, and soft tissue. I like to find out those kinetic line, what's is not working, assess people. We and then I don't want to say like this technique is something wrong with this technique or this. The combined is both technique is going to create you more professional specialist therapist. And always guess what? The students always going to be better than teacher because they take the best from the teacher and they apply it to themselves and they're going to grow bigger and they're going to teach bigger up there and whatever next students. So join our channel. We here in Patreon. Sometimes we do on YouTube, but the fully video and fully classes like this one, it's on Patreon. So join us and we're going to help you with your practice.